on my bed, packing my bags, hoping that someone calls me back, planning my next trip on a map, alone and traveling round the world. And I would wish that someone asked me to stay, because I'm getting tired of walking away. My only destination is hope, and I'm missing home. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them my stories. Yes, I really like someone to call me back next time I pack my bags. Do you know how it feels to travel non-stop, to live in a train with nowhere to go? And everybody knows me around the globe, but when I'm down I've got nowhere to go. The sun and the moon are my only friends, so I really need a home. My plane goes in an hour and I have to go, but I'll leave you this short letter just to let you know that I would like you to be my home and take you everywhere I go. So if you come with me, I'll never leave you alone. And if we find a place to build our home and tell our friends the stories of our journey, please come with me. And I love the adventures that I have, love the adventures that I have. Like to have a place to, I just like to have a place to come back, a warm house of friends to tell them, let me tell them my story. I'd really like someone to call me back now. Yes, I really like someone to call me back now. Next time I pack my I'm packing my bag. And I love the adventures that I have. I just like someone to hold my hand next time I pack my bag.
I didn't see you enter, I didn't hear you knocking at my door. Somehow you found a way to tether, you dropped your anchor down into my soul. Showed up uninvited, I was caught off guard, I was unexpected. But now I see there's nowhere to hide. I'm gonna chase you down, I'm gonna lose this fight. And the years that you've stolen, I'll take